Hi guys, welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're one of my subscribers. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. If you're not familiar with ThreadBeast, it's a monthly subscription for clothing. They have your own stylist. You pick out like what styles you like. You give them all your sizes to include shoe size. Did a bunch of the baller boxes. You can see those previous videos. This is my 6th referral box. However, I've had in the email 10 successful referrals, but this is the 6th one they've sent me. I've had to send them several complaining emails because they have this thing where you click on the link in the video description below and it's gonna give you a code that's good until like midnight. When you use the code, mind you, you have to use the link. So you click on the link in the video. That link is gonna bring you to a page. On that page, there's gonna be a code and another link. So you have to use that code and then click on the link and use it before, I think, midnight. When you do that, I get an email that says, hey, someone used your referral link. You get $50 extra stuff in your bag and I get like a referral box. However, they take 45 days to verify that you use the code and the link. So apparently, I've had probably 30, 40, 50, it's a lot of after 45 days unsuccessful. However, I've had 10 that after the 45 days says successful. Now, the company is trying to say that after the 45 days, they verified that 2 used a different code. But why did you send me 10 successful emails then? Like, it's a scam. They just don't want to send me what I've earned. That's just my opinion. I mean, it just makes no sense as to why they would send a successful email, you've earned a free box, and then later say, oh, no, sorry, like you didn't earn those boxes. It's like, no, that's not how it works. You send me the email, tell me I earned it, send it to me. So we'll see what they send. If not, you know, maybe I should get a lawyer and go after them. You tell me. Please tell me in the description, should I waste my time? Should I waste my money and effort on it? But anyways, you care more about seeing what I've got, which who knows what I'm getting since these are in fact free. So I'm not sure I'm a fan of this. Panama. Hey baby, what do you think? My wife's like doing her makeup for her Instagram and that, but yeah, she just flicked me off and shook her head like, no, it's horrible. Oh my God. Like, seriously, this is totally not my style. Like, why? Like, really? Like, really? Am I like Japanese martial art? Like, or Korean? I mean, look at this. My wife is even laughing. Like, am I like a Korean martial artist? Like, seriously. Like, who wears this? Like, it's like, I don't know. You tell me, what do you think of that? Like, I would never wear it. Like, I think my wife would like not leave the house if I had this on. Now, this isn't bad. I can't complain about this. These are, what's the company name? Jake Austin. These aren't bad. Not at all. So out of that entire buy, the camera went a little crazy, but this is the jeans that I got. These aren't bad. But the other stuff, like the jacket and the shirt, guess that goes to the box that goes to the Philippines that who knows if they'll wear it or not. But I definitely won't be wearing those 2 shirts. But that's it for this referral box. Let's see if they honor the 4 other referral boxes that they still owe me. You'll find out in the near future or in the future if I get more boxes or not. If not, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and check out whatever video YouTube recommends to you. And take care. Bye.